Hello. So this video is about edge loops. Okay, so I mask this text here, and now I extract in the negative direction at the moment, so like this. And the important thing is here division is 0, so yeah, no other edge loops here. So I extract the whole thing here, and this is the mesh I get. And now I use the hide tool and I activate connected, I think, to delete all the back faces here, and press delete. So now the normal direction of this edge here works now outside here in this direction. So now I'm using the inflate slider. Oh, sorry, I have to mask the top. So mask this, and then with the inflate slider you can create a bevel, something like a bevel. And now, after the inflate, smooth a little bit. So, sorry. Now it starts to smooth. And now the normal direction changed. So first the normal direction was in this direction, and now it's in this direction. So when you use now the inflate slider, sorry, you see it comes more in this direction and more in this direction. So it changes a little bit, I think. So, like this. And now with the smoothing slider, you can control the whole thing a little bit. And it's also possible, because we have here a sphere or a main mesh, we can use here the reproject option. So the vertices. So I reproject here on the main mesh. So I have a nice edge loop now. And this edge loop helps also maybe for Quadremesh or something. So let's test the Quadremesh and see what happens. So you see here it creates nice edge loops, and this doesn't work with the other workflow, so I tested a lot. Okay, so yeah, this video is also a reminder for myself how it works. Yeah, maybe it helps. Okay, that's it. Ciao.